Hello friends, how is everyone? This is Umesh welcoming you once more to Indian Everywhere. Today we are going for a red sand hiking, so let's go. So friends, finally we are on the desert now. As you know, Saudi Arabia, 90% of the land is a desert. But everywhere it is not a desert, but it is out of the city we are. So we are in the desert now. Previously we have been hiking on the mountains. That was dangerous. Today we will be hiking on the sand. It's not dangerous, but it is more harder than the climbing on the mountain. So let's go for hiking on the sand. It's really very hard walking on the sands, you know. And better you don't wear your shoes, otherwise it will be full of sand and sand. Wherever you can see all sand and sand, very big desert. No phone network here. And also, as I always suggest, on mountains never go alone. Also in the desert never come alone. See how tired Mr. Mujib is now after hiking for half an hour. Ever I can see, only I can see sand, sand and sand. It is mountain or it is a desert. I always try to be on the top, and I am on the top today on this desert. Friends, you can see behind me maybe 100 meters slope, and we are going to go down now. मुझे भाई हट जी ये कंट्रोल में नहीं है, देखिए कंट्रोल में नहीं है. Wow! 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 Wow, wow. You have enjoyed this red sand trip. If you so, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon, guys.